Hello dear students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. In our previous lectures we have discussed chapter 2 addition and subtraction exercise 2.1, in which we have done some addition based problems, right? In exercise 2.2 what we have done? In exercise 2.2 we have done the properties of addition. In exercise 2.3 we have done rounded off sum and actual sum. And in the next exercise we are going to do subtraction. So for subtraction, in the previous lecture I have given you an example of subtraction. What was the example? It was subtract 22 from 63. Here 63 is the larger number, so in subtraction always we remember that the larger number we write always at top. Larger number we write always at top or first place, okay, than the smaller number. So here 22 is smaller, that is why I have written it in the next row, okay, and the larger number is 63, so I have written 63 at the top. Now the larger number in subtraction, the larger number is called minuend. In subtraction the larger number is called minuend, and the number which you are subtracting is called subtrahend. The number which you are subtracting is called subtrahend. The larger number is called minuend, the smaller number is called subtrahend, and the result of subtraction is called difference. What it is called? The result is called difference, okay. So now open page number 27 of your book. Open page number 27, exercise 2.4. Open book page number 27. I have already written part A and part B of the question here. Read the question. What is the question? Find the difference. Find the difference. You have to find the difference. If difference word comes in question, then you have to perform subtraction. We remember, okay. So now here in this exercise you will subtract 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, okay. So let us start doing this part A. Right now you will do this in your book, okay. In copy you also have to write this exercise, but right now take out your pencil, be ready with your pencil and start subtracting these questions with me. Do not write by pen in book, okay. We remember, we always, it is our columns, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s column. Always start subtraction from the ones column. So in ones column 2 digits are there, 4 and 2. First digit is 4. So draw 4 sticks in rough work, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sticks. Now you have to subtract 2 sticks from this 4. So 1 and 2 we have subtracted. So how many left? 2. So write 2 here. Now move to the next column. You see that 9 and 4 2 digits are there. So draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 sticks. Now you see that you want to subtract 4. You want to subtract 4 from these 9 sticks. So start cutting the 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have cut the 4 sticks. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you will write 5 in the 10th column, okay. Now let us move to the hundreds column. You see that the larger number is 8. So draw 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you see that you want to subtract 3 from this 8. So remove 3 sticks, 1, 2 and 3. I have removed these 3 sticks. Now count how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sticks are left. So write 5 in the hundreds column. Now move to the next column, that is thousands column. Here the larger number is 2. So draw 2 sticks, 1 and 2 in rough work, and you see that you have to subtract 1 from it. So cut 1 stick. How many left? 1 is left. So write 1 over here in the thousands column. Now see the last column, that is 10,000s column. It is the larger number is 5. So draw 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You want to subtract 2 from the 5. So remove the 5 sticks from the, remove the 2 sticks. You want to subtract 2 from the 5. So remove 2 sticks from these sticks. So 1 stick and 2 stick. You removed. How many remain? 3. So write 3 in the 10,000s column. This is how we subtract the numbers in the same manner which you have done in your previous classes, like in third and in second class. Okay. Now, so our answer is 31,552. Let's do part B. Write the answer in book by using pencil. Now let's do part B. Here you see, always start subtraction from the ones column. It is your ones column, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s and so on. So always starts from the ones column. In ones column the first number is 7. So draw 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you see that here which symbol? Subtraction symbol is there, minus symbol is there. So you will remove 6 sticks from this cell. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. You have removed the 6 sticks. How many sticks remain? 1. So write 1 in ones column. Okay. Here I am doing rough work. Now in next column 4. You want to subtract 2 from the 4. So draw 4 sticks. You want to subtract 2. So remove 2 sticks. How many left? 1 and 2. So write 2 here in the tens column. Now move to the next column, that is hundreds column. In hundreds column you see that 2 numbers are there, 2 digits are there. First digit is 8. So draw 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to subtract 5 from the 8. So remove 5 sticks. 1 stick, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have removed these 5 sticks. How many left? Count 1, 2 and 3. 3 sticks are left. So write 3 in the hundreds column. Okay. Now move to the next column, that is thousands column. In thousands column our larger number is 9. So draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want to subtract 1 from this 9. So remove 1 stick. Now count how many remain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks are remaining. So write this 8 in the thousands column. Now move to the next column. Now here you see that 2 is there. So draw 2 sticks. Now you see that you have to subtract nothing. Here no digit is there. It means you have to subtract nothing. So if you do not remove any digit from it, what will left? 2 will left. So write 2 as it is here. Okay. So this is how we do subtraction. I know that you can do subtraction very easily. You know it. So part C and part D you have to do by yourself. I know that part E also you can do. So I am doing part F of the question number 1 now. Now I am doing part F for you. C, D, E, do it by yourself own after the video lecture. Like place 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens in ones place. Write 3, 7, 5, 6, 4 and 1. It is the larger number. You want to subtract, so put the minus sign. Do not forget to put the symbol. Okay. Now 1 minus 5. You cannot subtract 5 from the 1. Then what you will do? You will take the borrow from the left column. So when you take the borrow, it becomes 11, because you are taking the borrow from tens place, so 10 will come here. Okay. What happens? See, here 1 is there. You cannot subtract 5. So your first digit is 1. Now you will draw 1 stick. Now how you will remove 5 sticks from it? So you cannot. Then what you will do? Yes, what you do? You will take borrow. Okay. When in class your pencil or pen you forget at home, what you do? You borrow pen or pencil from your friend, right? That please give me, today I forget my pen box at home, so please give me. So here also this number don't have enough value, so we cannot subtract 5 from it. So what it will do? It will ask from its neighbor. It will ask the numbers from its neighbors. You ask the pen from your friend, so he will ask, it will ask the number from its neighbor. So it is asking from the tens place. So 10 plus 1, if it takes 10 from it, how much it becomes? It becomes 11, right? It becomes 11. Now you can subtract 5 from the 11. Your new number is 11 now. Draw 11 sticks in rough work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You want to subtract 5 from it. So remove 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You cut these 5 sticks. Then how many left? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sticks are left. So write 6 in the ones column. Okay. Now this 4 has given 10 to the ones column. If your friend had 2 pens, 2 blue pens. Okay. You forget your pen box at home. You borrowed 1 pen from him. 1 pen you borrowed. So how many left with the friend? Only 1 pen, right? So in the same manner, this 1 borrowed from here. So how much here left? It had 4 pens. It has given 1 pen to it. How many left now? 3. Only 3 left. Now you cannot subtract. Now your number is 3. 1, 2, 3. You cannot subtract 7 from this 3. How you will remove 7 sticks from the 3? You cannot. So now again what you have to do? You have to ask from the next neighbor. Okay. You will ask your friend that please give me some number. So when it asks for the number, it becomes 30. It give it the number, so it becomes only 5 as it has given the borrow. Now your new number is 30. Now subtract 7 from 30. So first draw 13 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you want to subtract this 7. Subtract the 7 from 13. So remove 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have removed. Now how many left? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will write 6 in this column. Now when you move to the next column, you see that your number is 5. So draw 5 sticks. Now you want to subtract the 5. So when you remove 5 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You removed all these sticks. So nothing is left. So you will write 0 over here. Now subtract 2 from the 5. Your number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can easily subtract 2 or remove 2 sticks. So remove 2 sticks. How many left? Count. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. Okay. Now next Next column is 10,000s column. 7 minus 5. So draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sticks. You want to subtract 5 from it. So remove 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I removed the 5 sticks. How many left now? 1 and 2. So write 2 in the 10,000s column. Now next column. How many sticks you will draw? Your number is 3. Your digit is 3. So draw 3 sticks. Now you see that no number is here, no digit is here, no digit is here. Then what you will do? You will remove nothing. 3 minus nothing. So if you remove nothing, what will remain? 3 as it is, right? So your answer is 3,23,066. Be remember the larger number is called minuend. The number which you are subtracting is called subtrahend and the result is called difference. So it is your result of subtraction, it is called difference. It is your result, it is called difference. It is your result, it is called difference. Right? We remember the result of subtraction is called difference. The larger number is called minuend. Here the larger number is called minuend. Here the larger number is called minuend. The number which you subtract, that is the second number is called subtrahend. So here this is the subtrahend, this is the subtrahend and this is the subtrahend. Now part G of question number 1. Let's do part G and part H. Your number is 6,52,000. You see that both the numbers in the question, both the numbers are written like this. So what you have to do? You have to arrange these numbers in columns. Arrange these numbers in columns, then subtract. So I am arranging the numbers in column. The first number is minuend. And the number which you are subtracting, that is 6,51,208 is called subtrahend. Do not forget to put the minus symbol. Okay. Now start subtracting from the ones column. When you subtract from the ones column, you see that 5 digit is there. Digit is 5. And you want to subtract 8 from it. So 5 is the smaller number. You cannot subtract 8. You cannot remove 8 from it. So what you will do now? You will take the borrow from the neighbor column. So it becomes 15. When you take borrow from the tens place, it becomes 15. Now you can easily subtract 8 from the 15. So subtract, first draw 15 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have to do it in rough work. You have drawn the 15 sticks. Now remove 8 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have removed the 8 sticks. Now count how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left. So I will write 7 here in the ones column. Okay. We remember this 7 have given some borrow to its neighbor. Then it is remain with the 6. Only 6 is left here. Okay. Now draw 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. You are subtracting 0 from this 6. 0 means nothing. You are removing no stick. Then how much remain? 6 as it is. So you will write 6 in the answer. Next, in hundreds column you see that you have only one stick and you want to subtract 2 from it. You want to remove 2 sticks from it. So it is not possible. You have only one pen. How you can subtract the pen? If you have 5 pens, right, you can easily subtract 2 pens from it. If you have 3 pens, you can easily subtract 2 pens from it. But if you have only one pen, how can you subtract? So here in the same case, you cannot subtract from you cannot subtract 2 sticks from 1 stick. So what you have to do, you have to borrow from the neighbor's column. So if you take borrow, it becomes 11. Okay, as 1 was here. This column give borrow, so it will left with 1. Okay, now 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2. Draw 11 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You are subtracting 2. So remove 2 sticks. Now count how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 sticks are left. So your answer is 9. Write in the hundreds column. Now move to the thousands column. You see that 1 stick is there. You have drawn 1 stick. Now subtract 1 from it. So if you subtract 1 from it, what is left? Nothing is left. 0 is left. If nothing is there, you will write 0. The next column is 5. In the next column, the number is 5. So draw 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are subtracting 5 from it. So it starts up 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have cut down all these sticks. Then what remains? 0 is remaining. Now move to the next column. 6 minus 6. Draw 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remove 6 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You remove all these sticks. What is left? 0 is left here. So this is our answer. Be remember, the larger number is called minuend. The next number which you are subtracting is called subtrahend. And this is the result of your subtraction. The result of subtraction is called difference. Part H you have to do by yourself. Part H you have to do by yourself now. Part H. So what are the question homeworks? C, D, E and H are homework. Question number 1. C, D, E, H are homework. You have to do this exercise in copy also. Do not think that we will do in the book itself and leave it. No, you have to do in copy also. Copy it from your book. Now come to the word problem. Now comes to the word problem, which is on page number 28. Page number 28. Open page number 28. Question number 2. There are 50. Read with me. There are 52,178 apartments in a township. 21,256 apartments are already occupied. How many apartments are left? Suppose there is a colony, okay? These are the houses. These are the houses in a apartment, okay? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 houses in a colony is there, okay? And it is a new colony, okay? 12 houses are there. And first, second, third, fourth, sixth, the houses in which I have put the right tick, these are the occupied, means somebody has already purchased these houses. How many houses somebody pick? Total, how many total houses? How many total houses? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 houses. Total houses, how many? 12. Now count how many occupied. Occupied means already someone has taken these houses. So how many? The houses in which I have put the tick symbol is occupied. Means यहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं. Okay? यहाँ पे लोग रहने लगे हैं. Occupied है. और ये जो है ये vacant है. Vacant means खाली है ये घर. Vacant है. Okay? So these, how many occupied houses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 houses are occupied house. Okay? Now tell me how many vacant houses are there? How many vacant? Vacant means खाली, जिन घर को किसी ने नहीं लिया. So vacant 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are vacant house. So how you got the answer 5? How you got the answer 5? When we subtract the 7 from the 12, you got the answer 5. Right? So in the same manner, there is a apartment. वहाँ पे कितने house हैं? In that apartment 52,178 apartments हैं. Okay? एक ऐसी बहुत बड़ी township है. So वहाँ पे how many apartments are there? How many total apartments? Total apartments are total apartments. How many? 52,178. Okay. Occupied कितने हैं उसमें से? Occupied apartment जितने? 21,256. Now you want to find the vacant apartment. So for finding it, what you will do? You will do subtraction, right? So subtract these two, you will get your answer. When you subtract 6 from the 8, you got 2. Subtract 5 from the 7. Arrange these column wise. I did not arrange them column wise. Cannot subtract. So you will take borrow. Okay. So 30,922 are the vacant apartments in the township. Okay. The remaining questions 3 and 4 we will do in our next lecture. Till then, complete your work and the classwork copy. Bye students. I will provide you the PDF also. Okay. So be remember, write properly in copy. Bye.